The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, children. Let us start with the second session of our story, King Midas and Marigold. In the previous session, we read the story. Now, let us have a recap of it. Okay? One day, a fairy appeared before the king Midas and gave him a wish. He wanted everything that he touched to turn to gold. That was his wish. The fairy granted his wish. Everything in his room and the roses in the garden turned to gold when Midas touched them. Finally, his little daughter Marigold also turned into a golden statue when she hugged him. King Midas was very upset. He called back the fairy and asked to take back his wish. So what did the fairy do? The fairy asked to take the water that flows near his garden and sprinkle it on what he wanted back. He sprinkled water on his daughter and she came back to life. From that day onwards, King Midas lost his greed for gold. So children, do you know why we should not be greedy? Yes, greed will make us in trouble and will not be happy. So children, we must be happy with what we have. Now let us do the question time. Okay, children, take your studio, open page number 30 in your studio. Now the first question. What did King Midas learn from his experience? Yes, King Midas learned that he should not be greedy. This shows us that greed will never make us happy. Children, you will do the activity that is question time in your studio by yourself. Okay? The fourth question I will discuss with you. Okay? How did King Midas bring his daughter back to life? Discuss. Yes. How did he bring back his daughter to life? Yes, he called the fairy. Fairy asked to take water from the river that flows near the garden and sprinkled it on anything that he wanted to change back. So he sprinkled some water on his daughter's face and she came back to life. Children, do you know the difference between things that we need and the things we want? Yes, all of us like to have beautiful things, isn't it? Yes, but we must not be greedy for them. We all need something to live a healthy life and stay safe. These are called our needs. Then there are wants. They are things that we enjoy and are good to have. But it is not essential in our life. It is not a need. So children, to stay healthy, we need good food. But do you need toys to stay healthy? No. Food is a need for us. It cannot be avoided. But we can avoid toys. Toys are our wants. It is not required for a healthy life. But we need good food to stay safe and healthy, isn't it? So children, things that we must have, the things that we must have to stay healthy and safe are our needs. And the things that you enjoy, it is not a need. Okay, it is a want. Children, you will do the activity in your studio 7.4 and 7.5 and the activity in your companion 7A, page number 15 in your companion. And you can find the differences between your needs and wants. Children, it is time to wind up today's session. We'll meet in the next session. Stay safe and healthy. Bye. See you.